So here we are in Visual Studio Code. I am installing the Power BI Modeling MCP server. Now, let's connect to the desktop file. It's open already, so let's see what happens. I answer yes to the chatbot's question if I want to see the model structure. It responds describing the database, the tables, and relationships. As you can see, there are no measures. I add a prompt to request 4 measures be created as per their description listed. At this point, the MCP server has finished planning the code for the measures and is ready to ask for permission to write to the Power BI file. Here we can see the measures generated by the server. Back in Power BI Desktop, we can see there are now 4 measures. We can see the first one, average athlete age, has an error. Let's take that message back to Visual Studio Code for a repair. Now we can see the measure has been repaired, and our file is now ready for visuals.